How to install apps without Apple ID. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Now scroll down and head towards the option of Screen Time. Scroll down, go to the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure you have toggle on for this option of Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then head towards the option of iTunes and App Store purchases. You'll see this section of Require Password. Set it to Don't Require. After you do that, head back. Go to the main page of Settings. Now scroll down and head towards the option of Face ID and Passcode. Now enter your passcode. Over here you can see the option of iTunes and App Store. Make sure you have toggle on for this option. With that, you will be good to go. Now you can close this and open your App Store. Now whenever you try to download any app, it won't require any password. So this was all for this video. This is how you can install apps without Apple ID password. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.